as well as we are calling this port as IDE port. As well as we are calling this port as IDE port. That is the name that you know. It means integrated drive electronics, IDE. PATA port or IDE port. Actually, PATA is the technology. PATA is the technology of that port. PATA, Parallel Advanced Technology Architecture. By this port, this motherboard can transfer data with the hard disk by the Parallel Advanced Technology Architecture method. මේ port එකෙන් motherboard එක hard disk එකත් එක්ක data transfer කරන්නේ parallel advanced technology architecture කියන method එකට. ඒ නිසා තමයි මේක කොට කරලා අපි PATA port කියලා කියන්නේ. PATA port. This PATA port has 33 pins. This PATA port has 33 pins. PATA port has 33 pins. So, by this PATA port, how we are going to transfer data to the hard disk? By this PATA port, how we are going to transfer data to the hard disk? Me PATA port taking. Oh, who can give me an answer? කොහොමද මේ PATA port එකෙන් අපි data transfer කරන්නේ? Hard disk.
Cable.
By a cable, yes. So this port has a special cable to transfer data with the hard disk. මේ port එකට තියෙනවා විශේෂ cable එකක් hard disk එකත් එක්ක data transfer කරගන්න. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Right. Yes, this is the cable that we are using to connect this SPATA port with the hard disk. මේ cable එක තමයි අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ SPATA port එක hard disk එකත් එක්ක connect කරන්න. It is calling as SPATA cable or IDE cable. It is calling as SPATA cable or IDE cable. SPATA cable or IDE cable. Actually, mostly we are using as IDE cable. අපි ගොඩක් වෙලාවට පුතේ මේකට කියන්නේ අපේ කටින් කියවෙන්නේ IDE cable කියලා. SPATA cable or IDE cable. Data transferring technology is SPATA. Parallel Advanced Technology Architecture or attachment. Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment.
IDE පාවිච්චි කරන්නත් පුළුවන් නේ?
මොකද පුතේ? යහන් පුතා. යහන් පුතේ. Jehan Puta, you asked a question from me. Jehan Puta. Jehan Puta, hello. Yes. Others, any question to ask? අපේ අනිත් දරුවන්ට ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද අහන්න මේ ගැන? Any questions to ask? Others? No, Naomi doesn't have. මේ මොකක්ද මේ ෆෝන් එකේ බැටරි නැහැ, ලැප් එකේ සිග්නල් නැහැ. කොයි වෙලාවෙ දාලා තියෙන්නේ? මතීෂ්. මතීෂට ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා මාක් කරේ. Yes. Jehan, you ask a question. Jehan Pute, you ask a question from me. In each and every motherboard, it has a SPATA port. Then parallel advanced technology attachment. So, as well as we are calling this SPATA port as... Yes, you ask a question earlier. That is why I stopped that. Stop this. මම ඒකයි මේක නැවැත්තුවේ. ඔයා ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇහුවා පුතේ. Right. Okay. By this SPATA or IDE cable, we motherboard can.
එතකොට සර් පාට පෝට් කියන්නේ IDE පෝට් එක වගේ එකක්නේ? දෙක සමානයිනේ?
ඕනේ. ඉතින් මම මේ යට ලිව්වේ දැන්. මම මේ යට ලිව්වේ. දැක්කද මේ දැන් මේ යට ලියලා තියෙන පේනවද පුතාට මම මේ පාට පෝට් කියලා ලියලා තියෙනවා පාට පෝට් IDE port look at this
yes sir
පාට port equals IDE port ඔන්න හරියටම ලිව්වා පාට port equals IDE port PATA cable or IDE cable. This motherboard using to transfer data with the hard disk by the PATA or IDE cable. මේ PATA port එක තියෙන motherboard එක නිතරම කරන්නේ data transfer කරන්න එයා පාවිච්චි කරනවා PATA cable එක. With whom it's transferring data. කවුරුත් එක්කද එයා data transfer කරන්නේ? With the hard disk. Actually, this is an old method. This is an old method to use to transfer data. This parallel advanced technology attachment method is an old method what motherboards use to transfer data. මේක තමයි මේ ඉස්සර ඉඳන් පාවිච්චි කරපු පරණ ක්‍රමේ motherboards data transfer කරන්න. PATA කියලා කියන්නේ පරණ method එක. Right? PATA is an old method. I written here. Then the hard disk which is going to transfer data with the PATA port has a same port consist of it. මේ PATA port එකත් එක්ක data transfer කරන්න යන hard disk එකටත් තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? data port එක. PATA. මෙයත් එක්ක data transfer කරන්න යන hard disk එකටත් තියෙන්නේ මොන port එකක්ද? PATA port එක. අපි බලමු ඒක දැන්. Look at this. This is the hard disk which is going to transfer data with the PATA port inside the motherboard. මෙන්න මේක තමයි hard disk එක. දැන් මේ motherboard එකේ PATA port එකත් එක්ක data transfer කරන්න යනවා. මෙන්න මේ hard disk එක. This is the
අර තියෙනනේ සර් පාට power පාට data කියලා. ඒක මැද තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද සර්? අර pin ටිකේ
ඔව් ඒ jumper setting එකක් තියෙනවා. මම එතෙන්ටත් එනවා කියන්නේ. මම ඒක කියලා දෙනවා. jumper setting එක. Right? Jumper. There are I'll tell you later. මම ඒක කියන්නම් පස්සේ. Now don't go to mix that. දැන් ඒක mix up කරගන්න එපා. Otherwise you all might get mess up. ඔයගොල්ලෝ mess වෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ ටිකක් පැටලෙනවා මම ඕකත් කිව්වා. පොඩ්ඩක් මේක. Look at this. This motherboard has a PATA port and motherboard is the board which has a PATA port is using to transfer data with the hard disk by a PATA data cable. PATA cable එකෙන් තමයි මෙයා data transfer කරන්නේ. So the hard disk which is going to transfer data with the PATA port inside the motherboard has a PATA data port. මේ motherboard එකත් එක්ක ඒතර PATA port එකක් තියෙන motherboard එකක් එක්ක data transfer කරන්න යන hard disk එකටත් මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? PATA port එක. Here it has already marked PATA data port, as well as that hard disk has a PATA power port. The hard disk which has a PATA data port, also it has a PATA power port. PATA data port එකක් තියෙන ඕනම hard disk එකකට තියෙන්නේ PATA power port එක. PATA power port එකක්. So in the power supply also, there's a PATA power supply connector. In the motherboard also, there's a PATA power supply connector. By this connector, we can supply power to the hard disk. Each and every power supply has two types of power connector ports. One is called PATA power connector. This PATA power connector is used to supply power to the PATA hard disk. That is one type of hard disk. Because by the data transferring method. මේ hard disk එක කොටස් දෙකකට බෙදෙන්නේ කොහොමද? By the data transferring method. As per the data transferring method, there are two types of hard disks, PATA and I will tell other one later. First learn about PATA hard disk. This is the oldest method which has used to transfer data. In old days, there were PATA hard disks more, as well as PATA data cables, as well as there were two PATA ports on the motherboard earlier. ඉස්සර motherboard එකේ PATA port දෙකක් තිබුණා. Nowadays, there is only one PATA port inside the motherboard, on the surface of the motherboard. මේ දවස්වල එනකොට PATA port එකයි motherboard එකක තියෙනවා. Right? Here, this is the PATA data port. PATA data port of the hard disk. The other one is PATA power port of the hard disk. As well as we can say, IDE port of the hard disk, IDE power port of the hard disk, PATA data port of the hard disk, IDE data port of the hard disk, then IDE power port of the hard disk, or PATA power port of the hard disk. This is one type of hard disk. As well as earlier I said, by the size of the disk, there are two sizes of hard disk, 2.5 and 3.5. Even in 2.5 or 3.5 hard disks, also we can look at these two types. One is PATA. The other one is I will explain later. Now, remember, have you all remember about one type of hard disk as per the data transferring method? දැන් මතකද පුතාලට මේක hard disk method එකක් ගැන data transfer කරන විදිය අනුව? data transferring method එක අනුව මතකයිද මේ මොකක්ද මේ hard disk එක කියලා?
Yes sir.
Very good. Naomi?
Yes sir.
Very good. Akash?
Yes, sir.
Janindu?
Yes sir.
Right. I'll give you 5 minutes. Take a rough sheet and put a little note as you can. By point wise. Point wise දාගන්න පොඩි note එකක්. අර මං කියපු rough sheet එකක් අරගෙන I'll give you 5 minutes. විනාඩි 5ක් දෙනවා. ටක් ගාලා note එකක් දාගන්න. Thereafter we'll write down a note about this. Right? Quickly put a note. ටක් ගාලා note එකක් දාගන්න. I'll give you 5 minutes. When you finish that, tell me, sir, I finished. I'm here. Finish? Very good, Akash. What about others? Naomi, Ehan, Janindu?
Finish, sir.
Ah, good. Janindu? Naomi?
Finish, sir.
Okay. Naomi දුව මට උත්තරයක් දුන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ.
Finish.
මොකද නිකන් මේ තරහ වෙලා වගේ? Switch on the video. Now did they fix that matter? Telecom matter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right. So now me tell me what did you write on your rough sheet? කියන්න දුව මොකක්ද ඔයාගේ rough sheet එක ඔයා ලියුවේ?
PATA is an old method.
පුතේ?
PATA code is equal to IDE code. PATA code is an old method.
Yes, good.
PATA code has 33 pins.
Yes.
Early the motherboard has two PATA code methods, but now we have one PATA code method.
So what about hard disk? Didn't you write anything about the hard disk? Hard disk එක ගැන ලියුවේ නැහැ පුතේ? Actually, I did explain you all again about the motherboard to explain the data transferring method of the hard disk. මම මේ motherboard එක ගැන explain කරේ ඔයගලන්ට hard disk එකේ data transferring method එක ගැන කියන්න. මට ඒක තමයි ඕන. අපි motherboard එකේ data transferring method එකෙන් ගියා hard disk එක. Actually, we need to know about that. අපි ඒක තමයි දැනගන්න ඕන hard disk එක ගැන, right? So we'll ready to write down a note. Data transferring methods of hard disks and motherboards. Write down this. Data transferring methods of hard disks and motherboards. Write down like that. I'll send you it by chat.